Hey campers, my name's Caroline and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make grilled cheese and coleslaw. The first thing you want to do is turn up your stove to medium height and put some butter in it and butter up your pan. Then you want to get bread, any type of bread of your choice, and put it in the pan. Then you can grab any cheese of your choice and put that on top of your first slice of bread. After you're done with that, grab your second slice and place that on top. Then you can grab some butter and spread the butter carefully on top of the grilled cheese sandwich and the top piece of bread. While that happens, you want to wait until the bottom of the grilled cheese turns brown. While that cooks up, we can move on to our coleslaw. To make the dressing, the first thing you want to do is add your 1/3 cup of mayonnaise.
There's a rubber spatula in the red bowl if you want it.
Your 1 tablespoon of honey. Make sure that oil gets in there. One tablespoon of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Then you want to mix all of these ingredients together.
Caroline, can you use a spoon if you don't have a whisk?
Yes.
Great.
Bringing over your salad, which you can first let's check our grilled cheese sandwich to make sure it's brown. Check if it's brown, and it is.
Looks perfect.
It looks perfect. So we're gonna flip it over, and be careful not to ruin it. It's okay if it's not perfect.
Yep.
You can get and moving back to the coleslaw, you can get the
Coleslaw shredded?
You can get the coleslaw shredded either from the store or you can shred it on your own. And then you can just add however much dressing that you want onto the salad.
Looks good.
And mix that in. And if you decide that's enough, you can stay there, or if you want to add more, you can add more. And add however much you want. Once you've added as much dressing to your salad as you want, you can move some of the coleslaw into a little bowl using a spoon or wherever you want, and place that onto your plate.
You want me to help you move some stuff out of the way?
Checking to see that the other side is brown, just like the top. You can move that over to your plate. Leave it there. And remember to turn off your stove.
Uh-oh, I think you need another spatula.
And then you can eat, and you can add whatever you want, whatever else you want, including pickles or whatever else you want to eat along with your grilled cheese sandwich and coleslaw.
Yum, looks really good, Caroline. Thank you so much. See you later, campers.